A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, Masquera say. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And my name is Ronald Wekwa Makusha. So we are here to take a look on what pastors for ED had to say regarding the election and inauguration of President Emmerson Mnangagwa of ZANU-PF. Remember, this election has been characterized as a sham election by the opposition and other international observers who claim that it was not done properly and up to the required standards. But the church or the grouping called as Pastors for ED has come to the defense. Let us hear.
Myself. It's okay. Taure. Sorry, we have to retake that. Taura is okay. We want to address the tombobva umboita vamwani tozodzobva. All right, sure, I did. And so that. All right. Makadiri, of course. Makadiri ruzhinji rweZimbabwe tiri pano sePastors for ED representing chechi yaMwari nevafundisi munyika yese yeZimbabwe, the 10 provinces pano kuti titaure kuti takavhota murunyararo nekuti ndo changa chiri chisuwo chedu sechechi kuti Zimbabwe pari kuenda maelections ivhote murunyararo. Tiri pano kuti titaure kuti tiri kunzwa zvakawanda munyika yeZimbabwe kune vaya vakanga vakakokwa kuti vauye kuzoita maobserver munyika yeZimbabwe patiri kuita maelections, but isu tiri kuti sechechi yeZimbabwe we came out in our numbers to define the leader that we want, to define a leader who aligns himself to the word of God, which is ipapo mushoko raMwari munotaurwa kunzi anogadza nekubvisa vatungamiri ndiMwari. Saka tiri pano kuti I failed. Sorry. Yeah. Makadiri ruzhinji rweZimbabwe, zita rangu ndinonzi Prophetess Council Idira Shidongo, the founding chairperson wePastors for ED. Tiri pano kuti titaurewo kuti we voted in our numbers as the church. The church came out and voted in our numbers. And
So, Team Zimbabwe, this is what the Pastors for ED had to say. Unfortunately, they were not confident with themselves. They were not confident with whatever they were doing. So you would see that if somebody is into something, for something, it's difficult for you to be confident enough. Maybe other people are saying that it's because it's first time yavo to be on or whatever. These are prophetess and other people are jaira kumira kumberi kwevanhu, and munhu ari kufanira kunge ane confidence about whatever they have to say regarding the leader they say akagadzwa naMwari. So these are different opinions. At the end is 9. It's written many take care of us everywhere. Why relegate the church to a useless, shameless, daring, and pathetic organization like this one? God knows, and we don't. But if the churches took this law, I don't think it's still relevant being a Christian in Zimbabwe. Okay, this is Vision who says so. What a pathetic defense of a cruel regime. Chichakadero chinenge ngozi. Okay, zvikanzi zvaramba. Okay, zvikanzi Mwari varamba kunyeperwa. Zvikanzi the spirit was stopping her. Hanzi rega ndisiyane nazvo. Zvikanzi I speak fire everywhere in the name of Jesus. So these are contributions Team Zimbabwe which are here on Twitter after this video.
Sorry, we have to
this video been characterized as a shameful act by the church or by those who purport to be part of the church. So, Team Zimbabwe, it is what it is, as I always say. This is the position right now. ZANU-PF is there, won't be any remedy from anywhere. And the opposition is adamant and actually promising fireworks, and they are saying, watch and see what is going to happen. So we keep on reporting what is going to come out from either side, what ZANU-PF will be saying and what Triple C we will be saying for the benefit of the people of the Republic of Zimbabwe. I don't want to take it much longer. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Thank you, Nkuma Simba, for the contribution. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other podcasts. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, as well as sharing.